Okay, this is going to be a fun video. Earlier I published one video where how can you generate your own avatar using AI. Now from the time Google Nano Banana came into the market, now this became too easy. Earlier I shown one different application using which you can generate, and there was some of the limits on the credits and they had some paid plans, but this is absolutely for free. Let me show you the way you will be able to utilize this particular feature and how can you generate your AI avatar using AI. Very quickly, currently I'm in Google homepage, and if I just type Google AI Studio, my favorite application, and once I click on this particular icon, then you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Now this is Google AI Studio. If you are new to the Google AI Studio, use your Google credentials to log in. And then the very beginning homepage itself, you'll be able to see one option, try Nano Banana. So if I click on this particular option, then you'll be able to see this interface. Now let me upload one of my own image and then let me show you what am I talking about. So here I have one of my photo. So that I uploaded here. To start with, we can do one thing, remove background of this image and make it a transparent one. So it will remove the background of the image. Now think about just before Nano Banana came into the market, these features are paid inside Canva and Photoshop, right? Also, this is freely available some of the places, but with certain limitation. After that, they will start charging money to you. Now this is available absolutely for free now. So this is first step, that we took one image, we cleaned that background. Now let's start with the fun part, and I'll show you one of the prompt and let's see what will be the result. Can you make this image look like a Mughal king? And then see that how it comes back with. Earlier I tried all these prompts and it was giving me a very good different type of images, which I was also laughing. Now you can see this is the image it generated. And if I click on it, so this is the my Mughal king avatar it generated. Let me show you what was the result earlier also. If I come back here, this was the image it generated earlier as a Mughal king, right? So this is one prompt. So let me show you few more fun prompts. Following that clue, you will also be able to generate few of the good images. Now, if I close this particular dialog and then I use this particular prompt, change this image to look like a Hollywood hero. But one thing I have a suggestion. Whenever you are generating these images, try to upload your image every time whenever you are executing any of the prompt to get the best result out of it. So what I'll do, I'll click on chat, I'll click on try Nano Banana again, and then I'll move my photo another time, and there I'll use this particular prompt. This is one thing I observed whenever I use any of the image, and if I am executing any of the prompt thrice or 4 times or 5 times, then it starts changing that image a bit. Now this is the Hollywood hero version of me. Again, I have another example here which it generated earlier. So this is the image it generated earlier, where when I asked it to generate as a Hollywood hero. Now you know, right, how to utilize this feature, and so that you will be able to utilize those photos in social media. So this is our second prompt. Let me show you few more fun prompts and hope you will be liking those. Now this is one thing I was looking for. Is it really possible? Can you make this person look like 30% slimmer? Let's see how it generates. No, it could not do a justice. If you see, this image is kind of same of the other one. No such changes. So it could not do a justice. Earlier also it could not. So this is one limitation from the existing image. If you are asking for to make certain changes, so that it's not able to. But let us check another prompt and let's see how it works. So I'll go to chat again, I'll go to Nano Banana again, and I'll bring my photo another time here, and then I'll use another prompt, and this can be very useful. Change his attire to a polo t-shirt. What I'm asking, that currently this particular image is with a blazer, but for your information, this image was also generated by AI. It was a different image and then I generated. Now you can see it changed it to a polo t-shirt. So if you are having any requirement to change any of your dress, anything, perspective, background, everything you can change. So I'm just showing you this prompt so that you can get an idea how can you utilize this feature within Google Nano Banana, and which is available absolutely for free inside Google AI Studio, and you will be able to utilize it. Let me show you the final one, and I hope you'll like it. So let me show you. I'll go to chat again. I'll go to try Nano Banana, and then I'll pull my image another time here. And this is the most funniest prompt. Change this image to look like a WWE fighter. And let's see what it generates. So this is the image it generated, right? So I'll keep it saved for maybe some other purposes. So this is the way you'll be able to utilize Google Nano Banana to create your own AI avatar, and where your imagination will be the only limit. So whatever you can think of, it can create utilizing your own image or any other image. And in fact, currently there is no guardrail. So people are utilizing this particular feature to generate image of renowned people or personals. But I would suggest you use your own photo or use any other AI generated photo to play with. If you have certain concerns about uploading your own photo, you can generate any of the image using any of the AI tool. I have multiple videos published earlier in this channel. Check out one of this video utilizing which you will be able to generate AI generated images, that too absolutely for free.